subscribe to my channel.
Water of both sides. We utilize these specialized humane traps, including this wire mesh cage with fresh fruit.
To minimize stress, we gently coax the monkey into the transport cage. The cages are designed with smooth surfaces and ample.
The loading process prioritizes stability. Cages are secured with ratchet straps to prevent shifting.
To minimize stress, we ensure exceptionally smooth driving. Inside, the temperature is precisely monitored.
The baboon transport route is finalized, utilizing the safest roads while avoiding major cities.
Equipped with advanced air ride suspension, these trucks provide generous space and precise climate control for the animal's welfare.
The current ETA is 1400, but we're seeing unexpected delays.
Acknowledged. Adjusting schedule now. Advise if the situation changes.
We conduct visual checks through the cage openings, listen for distress signals, and use the cameras and environmental sensors to...
It's crucial to log departure and arrival times, the baboon's condition before and after, and any incidents during transport.
Come on now, nice and easy. Here are some treats for you. That's it, right inside. Good monkeys.
These spacious, standardized cages are crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel, featuring sophisticated HEPA ventilation.
Here you go, guys. Plenty of sweet potato for everyone. Making sure the younger ones get their share is crucial for their development.
The main thing is to monitor his appetite closely. This leaflet details the feeding schedule and the signs of recovery we discussed.
Ruffled fur and huddling are key signs of distress we document.
And that's aggression. We need to isolate him before he harms the others.
We gently part the fur to check for skin conditions and wounds. We listen to the heart and use a pen light to check the eyes and ears for signs of illness.
We use only mild, tear-free shampoo, applied with a soft brush, carefully working the lather in circular.
We use a low-pressure nozzle and massage the fur gently. It's crucial to rinse against the grain to ensure.
We gently remove excess water from the marmosets using absorbent cloths like these, focusing on minimizing discomfort before the final drying stage.
The temperature is holding steady at 37 degrees.
Good. The monkey seems calm. We'll maintain the airflow for another 5 minutes. The safe temp indicator is green. We keep the chamber under 37 degrees Celsius to prevent overheating.
And the macaques are responding.
This supplementary process allows the howler monkeys to air dry naturally. A controlled environment with
You did so well. Look how fluffy and dry you are. Everything looks healthy, no irritation at all. Just gonna make a note here.
The carriers are carefully placed on the conveyor belt, using gentle handling techniques to minimize stress and ensure safe transport.
The conveyor maintains a precise speed, as shown here. If the safety light curtain is breached,
We have an agitated macaque. Stop the line.
Stopping the conveyor.
It's all right. Easy now. You're okay.
Following the conveyor dismount, the macaque is gently secured in the primate chair. A brief health scan is conducted.
The hide is first cleaned using a mechanical fleshing machine to remove excess tissue. It is then meticulously
The limbs are removed at the joints, followed by the head using the saw at the atlas. This leaves the axial skeleton ready for the next stage of extraction.
To separate the joint, the knife tip penetrates the capsule. A swift, controlled motion slices the ligaments, freeing the bone from the socket.
We carefully scrape away any remaining tissue using a scalpel, then scrub the bone clean.
First, high-pressure water jets remove initial impurities. We add a mild detergent and use stiff brushes for...
Before processing, the bones must be completely dry. We air dry them on mesh racks to remove...
Bones are fed into the grinder via the vibrating conveyor. Strict safety protocols require full PPE and sealed...
To preserve quality, the roasted bone powder is packaged in airtight containers and stored in a controlled environment until use.
Disposal. All raw materials, including the bone powder and emollients, are precisely measured. The moisturizers, preservatives.
The process involves combining the bone powder in industrial mixers, carefully controlling the
The emulsification process begins by blending the oil and water phase using a high shear homogenizer.
Heating and cooling cycles. We use controlled heating to activate certain ingredients and sterilize the mixture.
Samples are meticulously tested for texture and viscosity. We then check the pH levels to ensure skin compatibility.
Once finished, Dove products arrive here. They are stored in climate-controlled conditions and carefully loaded onto trucks.
This automated process fills each container with a precise amount of cream, ensuring consistency and...
The labeling machine ensures pinpoint alignment and adhesion quality. Automated sensors and our technicians. The process begins with fill level verification, followed by secure seal and label inspection.
Our state-of-the-art warehouse organizes Dove cream by batch number or final destination in the staging area. Our advanced scheduling accounts for real-time traffic and weather, guaranteeing the safe and efficient delivery of products like...
After unloading, the pallets are scanned and checked for damage. They are then moved to the sorting area for temporary storage or immediate dispatch.
We've delivered the full shipment of Dove cream, securely palletized as requested.
Perfect, right on time.
I think we're all set. Everything looks perfect.
Yes, it does. Bring on the visitors. Welcome to the Dove exhibition. Be sure to try our new whipped cream moisturizer.
We're collecting feedback on the new formula. What did you think of the demonstration?
Ready to experience the journey from raw materials to premium Dove cream. Join us in revolutionizing skincare.